In any industry you may work, you got to remember this one universal law that has been used by many successful people. Now, if you name anybody, right, it could be your role models, the successful people, it could be the richest of the richest in the world. What is that common between them and the poorer and the middle class people? What is the common in them? Now, if you could be a businessman, you could be an employee, or you could be someone looking for a job. But what should be your target? Your target should be to become the richest or to become the best version of yourself. Anything, right? From the current position to the next level is definitely to do with the richness. Now, if that has to do with your reality and your expectation, then what is that you got to do? One thing you need to remember that it is all about giving and serving. Whatever the work that you are currently doing, that is not why exactly you born on the planet Earth, right? It means whatever you're doing, the contribution has to go through you by the way the thing that you are currently doing. Majority of our stuck at are the job, or title, or the money, or the companies, or the promotions and titles, so on and so forth. But what we do not understand is we are missing the universal law. The universal law is to be a giver or be a server. Anything that you see in the nature, the plants, the fruits, the flower, the flowers, the water, the stream, everything, right? They give, meaning we get from it. Now, if we reverse the question, what is that we are giving? What is that others are getting from us? Now, if you have the answer, no doubt you will be a successful person just within time. As we were talking about the comparison between poor and average and rich people, if you look at the people who are rich enough and who is making more money, they have foundations, they contribute, they do give money for the social cause, they do the services for the people. Now when you see at average people and the poor people, they're complainers, they always ask, give me, give me, give me, right? So if you want to break the cage of your current situation, be a contributor, be a giver. Once you align with the universal law, then you will be entitled to receive. I hope you understand. So, what is the one thing that you are going to contribute to the society, to the people? What is the one thing that you want to give to the people? Answer that in the comment and let me read it. Thank you.